Hey Internet, it's RJ. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning into the show today. Now, today's episode, we're going to take a look at another bank's credit card catalog. We're going to focus on Regions Bank. So, in typical fashion, we'll first get to know a little bit more about Regions Bank. Of course, we'll talk about their rewards, earnings, and redemptions. We'll cover their credit cards, both personal and business. We'll even touch on some bank account bonuses in case you want to maximize value. And, of course, coming out on the other end, figuring out if Regions Bank's card should be in your wallet or not. So, if that sounds interesting to you, then go ahead, press the subscribe button. Let's get to work. Okay, first things first, no need to waste any time. Let's start out by first learning a little bit more about Regions Bank. So, classic did you know slide here. Regions Bank founded in 1971, though I have seen some dates that say 1970. 1 year difference probably doesn't make a difference for what we're doing. Headquartered in Birmingham, Alabama. Shout out Roll Tide. Now, they are the 33rd largest bank in the U.S. with about $147 billion in assets. And part of that is they have about 1,400 branches across 16 states. So they're definitely more of a regional bank. So if you like what you see, you're going to have to be based in one of those states, unfortunately. And then they also the largest deposit holder in Alabama and Tennessee. Again, Roll Tide. Someone's got to hold Tricky Nick's money, I guess. Now, when we talk points and earning redemptions here, the cards are going to earn cash back or points. You'll see when we get to the cards. Now, cash back, you're talking about your standard redemptions here, but it must be redeemed in increments of $25 up to $500 max per redemption. So I guess if you had more than $500 to redeem, you're just going to have to redeem it two separate redemptions. Now, the standard redemptions here, you can get a check, statement, credit, or into a Regions Bank account. Some of their cards also earn points, and those points can be redeemed for travel, their shops like merchandise and stuff. You can also turn those points into cash and then gift cards as well. Now, it is important to note here, they have something called Regions Rewards Multiplier. So this applies to one or two of their cards that we'll talk about. So the Rewards Multiplier based on average level of total deposits with Regions Bank accounts. So if you got 15,000 to 30,000, you can get a quarter boost. 30 to 50 is a half, and then 50K is an extra 1x back on your redemption. So with that said, let's take a look at the cards, and we'll start off with the personal lineup first. So first up, we have the Explore card. This is got an annual fee of $29. There are no multipliers to be had. The benefits here, as with all their cards, there are no foreign transaction fees. Now, this is a secured card, and you do need a deposit of $250 minimum to have this in a Regions Bank account. I don't know why there's an annual fee on a secured card. I would pass on this one. You just shouldn't have to be paying annual fees on secured cards. But now let's keep moving. We have the Life card is next, so no annual fee, so we're getting a little bit better. No multipliers as well, because this is their typical balance transfer low APR card. So you're also going to get no foreign transaction fees, which is nice, and a theme of all their cards, and you've got the 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers as well. Now we kind of get into the better stuff here. We start off with the cash rewards. So you've got the annual fee of $0. Your multipliers here are going to be 1.5x on all purchases, and the benefits you're going to have are no foreign transaction fees and Visa signature benefits. Now, next up, we move to the Prestige card, taking the name of the old city card, I guess. So no annual fee here. Multipliers, 3x points on dining and entertainment, 2x points on gas and groceries. Benefits here are going to be no foreign transaction fees, and you also get those Visa signature benefits as well. Now we come to what I would call their flagship card. This is the premium card, so you step up to a $125 annual fee. Multipliers here are going to be 1.5x on all purchases. These are points. You got the no foreign transaction fees. You have the Visa signature benefits. Now, this is where your rewards multiplier based on average total deposit comes into play. So we covered that earlier, but you can see the extra benefit you are going to get depending on if you have a Regions Bank account or not. Now, next up, we'll quickly jump to the business cards. There are two of them, and for some reason, they don't have pictures. So here you've got a standard Regions Bank logo. So first things first, you have the Visa business card, no annual fee, no multipliers. Again, this is going to be the business version of the 0% intro APR card, so not much to see there. Now we have the Visa Business Enhanced card as their last one here. So annual fee of $0. Multipliers, you're going to get 1x on all purchases. Benefits here, there's Visa Savings Edge, which is kind of like a portal you can use to save up to 15% on select purchases. And if you think I'm petty enough to add the Regions Bank logo that says it's time to expect more on a card called the Business Enhanced because I expected more, well, you'd be right. I am that petty. That's exactly why I added that. And so there you have it. That is the full Regions Bank credit card catalog as of late 2021. Now, as their bank accounts do play a major role in this, especially if you're going after their flagship card, let's take a look at what you could get from a bank account sign-up bonus. So they run these every so often. You can see here that it's pretty easy to hit. Right now, the most recent offer I found was, you could pick up a $200 for about $500 direct deposit, which is pretty easy to hit. Now, again, they have a lot of other bank accounts. So again, if you're thinking about this, then probably have one of their accounts maybe to get that multiplier there. But overall, let's talk about what I actually think about these cards. There's not a whole lot to see here. Sometimes when we do these card catalog reviews, it's a fishing expedition, and this is one of them. So I'd like to break this up into two separate parts. First of all, if you're searching this video as someone who's already with Regions Bank, I would say, look, you can probably do better. I don't particularly see a reason to leave $50,000 with Regions Bank. I mean, if you want to do that model, again, there's always the Bank of America model where you can do preferred rewards, leave a lot of money over there between Bank of America and Merrill Lynch, and then you get multipliers added to better cards, right? Because then at that point you can have multiple of like their cash rewards card, and you get multiple cards that can be up to 5.525 back, or their catch-all card, the unlimited cash, would come out to like 2.625% back. So you can get better cards across the board than that 1.5x back cash back card. Same with their other cards. They're earning points. I couldn't find anything that tells you what the points are actually worth when you cash them out, or redeem them rather. So, we'll assume 1 cent per point, for cash back. But if you're going to go through travel or something like that, I don't know. So if you do know and you have some of these Regions cards, then let us know down below. But either way, if you're banking with Regions right now, I think that's fine. Like, you can still bank with them. They're obviously pretty popular, especially in those core states, being the largest deposit holder, Roll Tide and all that. But for credit card offerings, you can do better. Active Cash, Custom Cash, City Double Cash, you name it, you can probably do better for no annual fee cards. Now, on the other hand, if you're a card enthusiast or something like that, they do have some sign-up bonuses. I can put some screenshots up of that. But again, I don't think it's anything worth going after that's going to burn a Chase 524 slot or something like that. So unfortunately, sometimes we do these and we find something cool, a hidden gem, if you will, and other times, again, it's a fishing expedition. So for here, again, I would happily jump on the bank account bonus if I could, but I am out of footprint, so I can't. So, you guys who are in footprint should sign up to avenge me and make all the money that I can't make. But anyways, guys, if you like this one, drop me a thumbs up down below. If you found it particularly interesting, consider subscribing to the channel. Again, posting content just like this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Of course, right back here every Sunday with all the news you could use in the week that was in credit and finance. My question for you guys is, let me know what you think of Regions Bank. Do you bank with them? Do you use their rewards multiplier? And what's kind of been the value that you've gotten as well? And of course, if you hit some of their bank account sign-up bonuses, leave us your thoughts and data points below, because you could help other people who are still interested in this, figure out how to make the right decision and the right play. But anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this one. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one.